How to reset your password on Ask AI. Forgot your Ask AI password? No worries, we all have been there. In this quick video, I will show you how to reset your Ask AI password in just few steps. First, open your browser and head to www.iask.ai. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Now, under the login form, you will see a link that says Forgot Password. Click that. This is where the magic happens. Type in the email address you used when signing up for Ask AI, then click Submit or Send Reset link depending on what it says. Make sure you enter the same email linked to your account or the reset link won't work. Now, hop over to your email inbox. Look for the message from Ask AI with a subject like Reset Your Password. Open it and click the reset link inside. Check spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. After clicking the link, you will be taken to a new page. Just enter your new password, confirm it and hit submit or save. That's it, your password is officially reset. And boom, you are back in business. Now you can log in with your sign in new password and get back to using Ask AI like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.